Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple but super fun space game I built using JavaScript and a little HTML. If you enjoy anything related about tech and the digital world, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more awesome contents like this. Now I'm gonna give you an overview of this amazing JavaScript space game. Let's get started. And this is how the game looks in action. Clean controls, space theme, and overall the game looks cool. So if you want to try it yourself or check out the code, I've dropped the GitHub link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this project, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.